scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding water in this tank is about total accumulation, and this one moves fast, so watch how the rate becomes an amount by t equals. To find the total amount of water at 3 seconds, integrate the inflow rate from 0 to 3, because liters per second accumulated over time gives total liters. Since the tank starts empty, there's no initial amount to add, so the water in the tank is exactly the integral of 1 plus sine of 0.8 t squared. Using numerical integration on that definite integral from 0 to 3 gives about 3.565 liters, so option C is the match. Nice and clean. Well done! Option C, scan now. Trap, rushing signs and steps. Rule, trust the given rate, then check each step before choosing.